All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a pre-wash because this black car is pretty dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it right quick, and then we'll do a pre-foam wash. Then we'll wash it, and I'm gonna clay bar this one. But first, let me got a lot of bugs on the front. So what I want to do is just kind of let this sit for about 30 seconds, and this will loosen up all those bug guts. Because here in the state of Florida, we have these things called love bugs. Although I don't know these love bugs. This customer said they took a trip to Miami, so I guess this is just normal road bugs. Is that what we would call it? A little bit on the and then on the windshield for the buggies on the windshield. Doesn't take much for the windshield, so I hit that first. That don't need to sit as long. So we just do a real quick pre-rinse with the foam. Especially with this black car, man. It's hot and it's dirty. Oh my goodness. We're gonna let that dwell. I am going to change my nozzles. So I'm going to show you, I like to change nozzles when I'm done with the tires to this is a 40-degree angle, and it's less powerful, but when you shoot it, let's see how wide the cone is, and you can rinse off more water with this one. Makes time go by a little bit faster because as a detailer, you know, time is of the essence. Yeah, you just kind of let that dwell, and what it's doing right now is the suds are just pushing down some of that surface level dirt. One of the things about professional detailing, if you didn't know, our job is to try and not touch the car's paint, as much as we can not. I don't know if I said that right. We don't really try to touch the paint when we're cleaning it. We have to, but we try to touch it as less as possible. And so what this does, it gets a lot of the dirt off, because the dirt is what really causes all the swirls and scratch marks in the paint. So we try to get it off without pressing on it, and that's why we do a foam rinse beforehand. And there's other different soaps and different things people use. This is just what I use. Just helps out. There we go. We're just gonna rinse it, and then we're gonna put some more foam back on it. I guess I won't this time. I'll just wash it because I'm gonna clay bar it. I want to foam it when I clay bar it. I'm sorry, that 40-inch nozzle just makes everything faster. It's not as powerful, but when it comes to speed, all right, let's go.
This stuff here out the way. I should have did the speed up thing, but oh well.
And now this is called our contact wash. I like to start with the top first because up and down on the step. And for me, it just makes it easier. To get to the top first. As you'll see, once you do the sides, it goes by a lot faster. But and so, okay, back to it. So I do the side with the shadow on it first because the sun dries the soap up pretty fast. So I want to be on that side, wash it, and then rinse it when I get on that side. I'm gonna take this around there and do that now.
Almost there.
Now we're just gonna foam it. All right, so we're gonna do a clay mitt on this car. This is a clay mitt. You can use a clay bar. And the reason we do this, even though I wash it, you can feel the paint, and there's still just stuff in the clear coat. And so what we're gonna do, this is gonna help remove the things, the stuff out the clear coat, and I'm just gonna make it smooth and prepare it for the wax. And so whenever you hear somebody say clay bar or mechanical decontamination, that's what we're doing. We are decontaminating the clear coat, getting all the impurities out of it. Did I say that right? And leaving a nice smooth surface so when we apply the wax will stick and get its full life out of it. And it's gonna make the paint shine better. It's gonna be smoother. And so I like the mitt, the clay mitt, because you can use it again and again, whereas the clay bar, you get one use out of it. Now I do use the clay bar on my ceramic coatings because they're spending a lot of money for that. So I use the clay bar on that. It is a little bit better. But as far as something like this, the clay mitt works pretty good for my liking.